Hello, I am Balu Khambam from Hyderabad and I am an Italian and English tutor. I teach spoken English, Italian language and culture. I hold a BA in English literature and a BA in philosophy from Urbaniana University, Rome, Italy. I have been teaching for 2 years in Bangalore to students from different states in India. I have taught quite a few students and some are studying in Italy now. As far as my teaching style goes, I encourage a lot of doubts and questions and dedicate special time to answer individual queries. I respond to email queries and messages within a short time. I use a lot of visual aids in teaching and keep the class interactive and responsive, etc. I like to mix humor in my teaching. I use digital media for a lot of learning new development in the field of my teaching. I attend webinars and seminars, interact with other teachers and professionals across the world. Sulekha's eLearn offers you personalized coaching from India's top tutors who are experts in the field and understand your needs both academically and knowledge wise. These sessions are conducted using advanced tools and technology which aid in better, relevant, and easy learning. Thank you.